Hello children. Today I will tell you about a disease called as food poisoning. Food poisoning, as the name is indicating, this is a disease due to the contaminated food. When we eat toxic or contaminated food, food poisoning occurs. Now, what are the symptoms of this disease? There are certain symptoms which show the presence of this disease, like vomiting, nausea, severe pain in the abdominal region, diarrhea, and dehydration. And it may also cause weakness and fatigue and damage to the nervous system. These are certain symptoms which show that we are having food poisoning. And how it occurs? Why these symptoms occurs? These symptoms are due to the presence of the bacteria or microbes in the food. जब हमने गंदा खाना या ख़राब खाना खाते हैं तो उसके खाने की वजह से उसमें जो बैक्टीरिया होते हैं उसकी वजह से हमको फूड पॉइजनिंग होती है और या हम टॉक्सिन्स इंजेस्ट कर लेते हैं जो कंटेमिनेटेड फूड में होता है. Some bacteria, जैसे Clostridium and Staphylococcus and fungus like Aspergillus, they cause food poisoning. Now, what to do? How should we prevent ourselves from food poisoning? Number one, food must be prepared and stored to prevent. Food must be properly prepared. Number two, food must be stored properly. Food poisoning may occur when leftover food is unrefrigerated. जब हम खाना जो बचा हुआ होता है उसको ऐसे ही छोड़ देते हैं, फ्रिज में नहीं रखते लंबे समय के लिए, तो वो क्या हो जाता है? वो स्टेल हो जाता है, वो स्पॉइल हो जाता है. Sometimes mishandling also causes food poisoning. Persons who handle or prepare food should wash their hands to prevent the contamination of food. So, food poisoning, let us revise. Food poisoning is a disease which results by consuming contaminated means ganda toxic खाने से होती है. What are its symptoms? Vomiting, diarrhea, pain in the abdominal region, nausea, dehydration. Dehydration means पानी की कमी हो जाती है. And these symptoms generally arises due to the microbes present in the contaminated food. Like certain bacteria like Clostridium and Staphylococcus, fungus like Aspergillus, they all cause food poisoning. So what should we do? We must store the food properly. We must prepare the food after washing the hands. We should not leave the food like this. Leftover food must be refrigerated.